Hey everyone, it's Tony. So I have no makeup on or nothing, but my room is very clean, so I thought I'd do a updated room tour. So let's start. So this is it right here. This is my wall, my door. Excuse the trash. Quick overview. Now I'm currently living at home. I'm thinking of moving soon, so this is not final, but this is what I have now. So when you walk in, my door. Excuse that, I'm actually coloring a wig. This is just a dresser from IKEA. It's old. I want a new one, but since I want to move, I don't want to buy one yet. And this is just kind of like a, I guess, I don't know what you'd call this, but I just kind of keep stuff up here like makeup remover, my wig stand thingy, and pictures, little Miss Grace and I, and Gina necklaces. This beautiful, I love this. I wish they had these at Target still. I love them, they're so pretty. But they don't have them anymore. I'd buy like 10 of them if I got the chance to. Marilyn Monroe books, just, you know, little things that I have out so I can remember. A candle, this is from Better Homes. I really like them. They're really affordable. I think it's like $5. I think it's actually $3. And then just this little thing from, it's from the Neiman Marcus thing. It's just you're supposed to put candles in it, but I just put like little extra knickknacks in it. My Lana Del Rey headpiece and a couple headpieces, and then I just keep like extra stuff like serums and brushes and things like that in this little glass vase. I have this Ariel doll that I got as a gift a while back. Prince Eric, everyone knows that I love The Little Mermaid, so they have that here. Then here I have my Bedhead shampoo and conditioner that I haven't even opened. I just bought it because it was on sale for 10 bucks for the set. So I got it and I haven't opened it because I have a lot of shampoos still left. Down here I have my dirty clothes, excuse that. And then here is just another bookshelf. Normally here I have my other doll head, or like the heads with wigs on it, but I'm coloring it currently. So I have my MacBook Pro 13-inch. This one's really good. I wish I would have got the 15-inch though. And then down here I have just books. I'm currently reading the Zombie Apocalypse Survival Guide. This one, and then I'm also reading the Alice in Pretty Little Liars or book or whatever. Some hair extensions that I haven't even filmed a video for you guys because it's been so hot lately. Some stripper shoes that I was making, see, and then I quit. And then I just have some other shoes down here that I have, clothes that has been sent to me for videos, more shoes down here, and that I wore these like once. Down here for my business, which I haven't been focusing on that much, but I keep storage and shipments and things like that. And then down here, most of this is just like wigs and extensions. My printer and my ugly fan. Don't judge a girl over here. And I have another fan because this one doesn't blow out air and I need to toss it out. And then here I have my studio lights, which I don't know why I didn't turn on my studio lights. Now you guys can see a lot better. Let's turn on this one. It's bright. I have my little, what you would call kind of like vanity area. Down here I have just everything. A lot of this is just makeup, eyelashes and stuff like that. Oops, I dropped that. See, extra makeup, money, oops, and then just storage. Here's the chair I sit on. It's just a simple chair because I want to move, and when I move I want to buy a lot of new stuff. And then I found my journal / diary from a long time ago, so I have that here. My little blow dryer. Over here I have a candle. This candle's supposed to actually go in here, but I've been liking more of this storage where you can just put stuff there. I have the Naked 2, which is broken. Some makeup, my car keys actually, and my vanity. Just some jewelry and head chains. And the Ariel book, I don't know what you'd call it, the makeup book for Elf. I have a couple of those. And here I just have like little makeup brush stuff. So you guys can see, very simple. I don't have that much crazy stuff, but I have that. And then I just have a little jar that mason jar that I keep like extra change in. Believe me, that's a big thing. And up here, you guys have seen this before, it's just like my little shelf of inspirational things. You guys can see I have my Ursula, the Louis Vuitton shoe, some like Marinello stuff, Little Mermaid movie, Beneath the Glitter, and just a couple little knickknacks. Then here on my bed, on top of my bed, I have the Marilyn Monroe picture. I got that for $5 at DD's, and then I bought the frame, so it ended up costing like $8 for everything. My headpiece is custom made. One of the stones fell out. And my bed stinks, man. I need to get a new one. I saw one at, what's that place called? At Hot Topic, this Little Mermaid one. So I might want to get that one. And then that one, once again, is from that little, I got that a long time ago at Blockbuster, back when they were open still. And my chandelier is from my aunt's garage. I got it at her house, and it's just so pretty. All the rhinestones, all the stones are pretty much intact. There's a few that are missing, but that's okay. It gives it that little extra touch. And all I did when I found it was just kind of wash it and clean all the crystals. And that's pretty much my room, guys. It's very simple. I don't have a lot going on because I want to move soon, so I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. By the way, this is a friend's. I just used it back when I was when I had my business running, but since I hadn't have internet, I haven't been able to run my business that well. And then that wig is just one that I use. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'd like to see what you guys... That's pretty much it, guys. I'd like to see what you guys have in your room. Sorry that I don't have any hair or makeup on, but it was kind of late, so I just wanted to post a video for you guys. I miss you guys. It's been so hot. I can't film lately, but I will. By the way, guys, I will be at BeautyCon this weekend. If you guys are going to be there, please let me know down below. If not, maybe next year. Bye, everyone.